So whether you just bought your first digital camera or you've been practicing for a few years now, there's one key mistake that we continue to see photographers make time and time again. And that mistake is this. You've perhaps tried buying presets, you've watched a bunch of YouTube tutorials, but when it comes to putting it all together, from taking the photo to editing to posting online, you simply aren't creating the photos that you envision.
The truth is, fumbling through a bunch of disjointed YouTube videos just isn't going to give you the full picture.
Full picture. See what you did
Like
there?
what I did there?
Yeah, that was a great pun.
While that can help if you know exactly what you're looking for, you really need a full comprehensive system to really push you to that next level.
You need somebody to walk you through every step of the process.
The moment that we started looking at photography holistically, rather than just copying and pasting other people's methods and systems, that's when we started elevating our own photography and started creating work that truly inspires us and other people too.
And that is why Andrew and I have been working tirelessly to create what we dub the Photography with Purpose framework.
For those of you that haven't met us, my name is Andrew.
And I am Kyle Meshna.
We are professional photographers best known for our cityscape, landscape, and lifestyle photography.
And we've also been lucky enough to work with brands such as Xbox, Google, Mazda, Airbnb, One Wheel, Polar Pro, Wander, you name it, we've probably worked with them. And over the last 5 years, we have built a dedicated and loyal following of a collective 720,000 across our collective social medias.
And not only that, but we also have a passion for teaching. And over the last couple of years, we've taught thousands of students how to improve their own photography skills with our Photography with Purpose framework.
And in working with our students over the many years, many of them have told us that they've spent hundreds and even thousands of dollars buying presets, following disjointed YouTube videos, and they're still just not able to create the work that they are hoping for.
We've been there and we've done that ourselves. I mean, look where we started out. That right there, that's Kyle's shot.
I really wish we didn't show that one.
That one's mine. Yeah.
Good, great. That's really good.
Yep. So, you know, if we started here and now been able to get our photos to look like they do now, you definitely can as well too.
Absolutely. In even just one session going through our Photography with Purpose framework, some of our students have been able to take their work from looking like this to looking like this.
Crazy, right? Like, we are blown away by the results as well too. So maybe you've been fiddling around with the sliders in Lightroom or even tried a layer mask or two in Photoshop, but you're still unhappy with the results. You're frustrated.
And worse yet, you're posting them online and they're simply not getting the credit or the attention or the love that you think they deserve.
Maybe you even took a trip to a beautiful destination, the Greek islands perhaps, and still came back with a camera full of turds.
We didn't plan that. Look, we get it. We have been there along with you. We've had those same frustrations for years even. And that's why we put together the Photography for Purpose framework. So we can take away the disjointedness of going through a bunch of different YouTube videos. We can take away the fact that you're just copy and pasting from a bunch of presets where you don't really learn as much as you're hoping to from buying them. And that's why we're going with our Photography with Purpose framework.
It's all about giving purpose, meaning, and intention to everything you do out in the field, from framing and composing an image to every step behind the computer when you're post-processing.
Imagine going out on your next shoot and just knowing deep in your loins that you have gotten a banger. From the moment you press that shutter, you just know, you can envision the full edit coming together. You know that your settings are dialed, and you know that when you take that photo, you can see the entire edit fluttering in front of your eyeballs like a goddamn photo editing wizard Rain Man. And better yet, you are able to replicate this time and time again without our help because you have this new framework to build off of.
So what we're doing is this. This is part 1 of a 6-part series where we teach you how to achieve this Rain Man photo wizard status that Kyle just talked about.
Photo wizard status, that's right. In the next video, we are going to walk you through the first part of the Photography with Purpose framework so that you can start implementing it right away and take better photos today, tomorrow, like right now.
We've got some epic news for those that are truly serious about taking their photography to the next level with our Photography for Creators course. So keep your eyes peeled for that.
It is going to be sick.
very stoked about this.
Yes. Now, as much as we would like to help everybody, we have found that teaching this framework is best done in a small group setting so we can help handhold people all the way through the process. So spots for the course will be extremely limited, and we will have an early bird waitlist, which you can click in our bio or in the link of this video, and you can sign up for the early bird waitlist.
Everyone on the waitlist will have access to the course 1 day prior to the official launch date.
Now, that being said, we really hope that you guys did enjoy this video. And if you have any questions about the Photography with Purpose framework or the upcoming course, please do drop us a DM, drop a comment below, or just get in touch with us any way that you would normally do that on the internet.
Snail mail also is a preferred method of ours.
Snail mail, that, sure, but we can do that too. Yeah, fine.
And as we mentioned earlier, stay tuned for our next video where we cover exactly how to get started with this framework, and you can start getting those next level results ASAP.
That's it.
All right.
Thanks guys for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you. Bye.